Do you have a minute? I need your help with something.
Of course, what's wrong?
I'm trying to understand computer network. Can we start with the basic? Like what exactly is a computer network?
So, a computer network is basically a group of computer and device connected together so they can share results like a file, printers, or internet connection.
Oh, so it's like when multiple devices in a house connect to the same Wi-Fi.
Exactly, that's a simple example of a local network or more like a local area network or wide area network which connect network over long distance such as the internet.
Got it. But how do the device actually communicate with each other?
They use something called protocols, rules that define who data sent and receive. One of the most common one is IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol. It's like the language of the internet.
I've heard to TCP or IP, but what does it actually do?
TCP ensures data is sent reliably by breaking it into smaller packets, sending them and receiving them of the other side. IP, on the other hand, handles addressing, making sure those packets reach the right destination.
So, every device in a network has an address.
Exactly, that's the IP address we talk about. Earlier, think of it as the home address for a device of the network.
Okay. So, I get the basic of what the network is, but I am struggling with the difference between a switch, a router, and a hub.
That's a common question. Let me break it down for you. A hoop is the simplest device it to send data to other device. Connection to it, which can cause a lot of unnecessary traffic.
Oh, so it doesn't know which device need the data.
That's where a switch comes. A switch is smarter because it learns which device are connected to each of its port. So it sends data only to the device that's supposed to receive it.
That makes sense. What about a router?
A router is different, while switches and hoops connect devices with the same network. A router connects different network. For example, it connects your home to the internet.
So in a typical home setup, the router is what gives us success to the internet.
Exactly, and often home routers have built-in switches, so they can handle both tasks.
That's clear up a lot. But what about IP address? Why do we need them?
Good question. Think of an IP address is a device address on the network. It is how devices find and communicate with each other. Without IP address, the data would not know where to go.
Okay, but then there are public and private IPs. What's the difference?
A public IP is assigned by your internet service provider and is how your network is identified of the internet. A private IP, on the other hand, is used within your local network and is not visible to the internet.
So, my laptop and my phone both have a private APS at home.
Exactly, and they all share the same public IP when access the internet. Thanks to process scaled network address translation.
Oh, I have heard of NET. It translates private APS to the public one. right?
Right, not helps conserve public IPs and keeps your private network security.
That's so interesting. One last thing, how does DNS fit into all this?
DNS or domain name system is like the phone book of the internet. It translates human readable domain names like example.com into address that computers use to find each other.
So, when I type a website name, DNS find its IP address for me.
Exactly, without DNS we have to remember the IP address of every website we went to visit. Anytime.
That would be a nightmare. Thanks a lot, Nawaf. This really helped me.
Anytime, Berka, if you have more questions, just ask.
Will do. It'll drift back into my notes now. Thanks again.
Yes, got a lot of